I've been filming all day and it's not working up here anymore. I'm struggling. Hey guys, my name's Tessa. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Come closer. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my go-to full body gym workout. I've made one of these in the past and you guys seem to love it, so I'm going to make an updated one. Yeah, it's full body. This is a workout that I do practically every single week, or a workout that's very similar to it. I just love it. Hits all the places I need to. It's just great for shaping a lean, toned dancer-like body. I was a dancer, and when I started training fitness-wise, I really wanted to make sure that I kept my physique, and I wanted to learn how to create lean muscle. And this is a workout that I came to find really helped me do so. I'm practically always doing something pretty similar to this one in the gym. So you guys might as well see what it is. The first thing that we are going to do is a quick hamstring and glute activation, so that we're working the hamstrings and glutes rather than the quads. We're going to activate the muscles, let our brain know, hey, these are the muscles we want to work today. I'm going to do this by using the band like I do every day. I always do this activation prior to literally any workout, even upper body. So first thing, band walks. Our knees are bent. We're stepping out as far as we can, just like that. You can do a couple each way, you can do one each way, just depending on what space you have. Firing up right here. Next, clams. Wrapping the inner thigh up and forward, and our engaging right here in our glutes. Super simple. So I feel it in my inner thigh, I feel it in my glute, and I feel it in my hamstring. Next, fire hydrants. 90-degree angle, and just whole leg up. Super simple. You'll really feel this right here in that upper glute. So that's the activation circuit, the glute and the hamstring activation circuit. Just a little warm up, getting those muscles activated. For this entire workout, we're always going to do 12 reps per exercise. Right and left is always separate. So whenever I say 12 reps, that means 12 reps right side, 12 reps left side. And we're going to repeat each circuit 3 times. So repeat the circuit 3 times, 12 reps per exercise, right and left. Now let's move on to the lower body circuit. We have a lower body circuit and then an upper body circuit. We are going to use a bench. If you don't have a bench, just use a chair. And we're also going to use dumbbells. If you don't have a dumbbell, use a book, a water bottle. But yeah, dumbbells are just a great basic to always have in your house. They're awesome. They provide such benefit to a workout, and they're just so easy to get. You can get them at Walmart, Target, all that good stuff. So let's jump into it. For this first exercise, we're actually not going to use the bench. And we're just going to do lunge backs. So super simple. We're keeping our weight in the front heel to engage the glutes, keeping our shoulder blades down and back. Core is engaged. And we're not locking the knee up when we come up, not like that. We're keeping it slightly bent to protect the joint. Bring this guy back. Now we get to lay down. We always love that. We're going to bring our heel like that. We have about a 90-degree angle with our hips. Again, we're not pushing into our toes. We're pushing it into our heel. This leg goes anywhere. We just want it out of the way. We're just going to lift the hips up, squeezing the glute and hamstring, and tapping down. Boop. Up. Slow control down. Up. Slow control down. Up. Slow control down. This is a new exercise that most people have not seen, and it's amazing. I love this one. We're going to come to a side plank. Take this bottom leg and lift up. Ooh, I hit that. We're going to lift up. So we want to make sure this knee is connected to the bench, the top knee, so that we're not putting unnecessary pressure on the knee, and we're just going to lift this bottom guy up and hold. So think of squeezing the bench, chair, whatever you have there. It's just a static hold. You will feel this one. 30 seconds each side. Core's engaged, shoulder over elbow. Hold that guy. And that was a lower body circuit, and now let's move on to the upper body circuit. I forgot what word I was about to say. I'm starting to scare myself. Let's do the lower body circuit. Oh my gosh. Let's do the upper body circuit. We're gonna do 10 push-ups. You heard me, 10 push-ups. You can lower your knees if you need to. I like to go wide. I just think that it's more comfortable, so I go a little bit wider than my shoulders and chest to ground. Guys, no cheating. Next exercise, we got tricep dips. So super simple. Our fingers are facing forward, and we're just simply going to bend our arms, keeping our elbows squeezed together, and just glide your back against the bench. Gonna go fast with these. We're gonna do 20. Just like that, super simple. 20 of these guys. And yeah guys, that's it. I hope that you liked it. I hope that you found it interesting seeing what I typically do at the gym, you know, for a full body day. And I hope that you try it for yourself. I love you guys though. I really hope that you support me on Instagram and all that good stuff. I'll have everything linked up above and down below. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff, and I will see you soon.